this island where the rivers play, the sun shines bright every single day. Hot springs bubble, warm and clear, a paradise where peace is near. The people laugh, their spirits high, but shadows loom, clouds in the sky. Politics whispers through the breeze, threatening the calm, disturbing the seas. Oh, island of hope, so wild and free, with rivers flowing to the endless sea. Friendly faces, sky so wide, but change is coming with the shifting tide. Mountains rise like gods of stone, in a place we've always called our own. The springs still sing, but times have changed, as politics rearrange what once was arranged. Yet the people stand with hearts so bold, in the warmth of the island, in stories untold. Through every challenge they still believe, the island's peace, they'll never leave. Oh, island of hope, so wild and free, with rivers flowing to the end.